that much as a short introduction to what SAP is all about, where we want to go. Now let's dive a little bit deeper into the topic of cloud computing. As much as I'm in love with architecture and technology, I always challenge people by saying cloud computing is predominantly an economic topic and not so much a technology topic. Why am I saying this? And this here is visualized on the following graphs. SAP has a very close relationship with Intel, and we meet with the Intel executives on a regular basis, and we talk about where are we today, where do we want to be in a year, in 3 years, in 5 years, and 10 years from now. And we had meetings with Intel in the early 2000s, 2003, 2004, where Intel said, SAP, what we will do is we will provide you with processors that are so large that even you can't consume all of the CPU cycles. The architects in the room said, well, let's see, we'll accept that challenge. They said, in addition, we will provide so much memory that all of the paradigm that we had in the past, be careful with memory, consume it very carefully, write to disk relatively early, that all of these paradigms will be history. You can keep everything in main memory. And the third prediction from Intel was, and they said they wouldn't do that on their own, but with a lot of partners or with the telecommunications industry, was they said, we will provide you so much bandwidth at a decent price rate that it doesn't matter anymore where the consumer of an IT service is and where the provider of an IT service is. Those of you who are my age will probably remember the days when you had to have your IT in the basement of the building, because even getting a cable across to your office on the other side of the road was a medium adventure. It was expensive, it took a long time, the quality was pretty crappy. Today, it doesn't matter anymore. So all of those predictions came true, and SAP said, if all of this happens, we have a unique opportunity to rethink the way how we build applications, get rid of the traditional barriers which we always thought about, specifically around be careful when you consume processor speed and how you consume main memory capacity, and build brand new applications. So that was a key moment in time in the mid-2000s when we said, now we can really do something new. That obviously is not only true for SAP, it is equally true for Microsoft, for Google, for all the other large players, for the Amazons of the world. Today, it doesn't matter anymore where the data center is. Yes, we have certain legal aspects which we obviously need to adhere to, but in principle, you can consume a service from all of around the world, from all of the edges and the corners of the world.